Dhwani, a screenwriting major from Mumbai, India, found community at NYFA. Students have a flourishing creative network of students, faculty, and staff in disciplines that range from broadcast journalism to producing to cinematography. With so many unique perspectives and skills to share, let's hear more about NYFA's community from Dhwani. Take it away.
That was good, but maybe we can take this one line again, I think. Okay, cool. Thank you, Alex. Growing up in Mumbai, India in the 90s, I would run around shooting all my family's home videos on our little camcorder. And as I grew older, I realized I loved art, but had a passion for writing for the screen. And that's how I naturally found my way to screenwriting. I've always believed that screenwriting encompasses two key elements, the art and the craft. And although the art is innate, the craft can definitely be polished. And what better place to learn both than here at NYFA? This college is like a mecca of collaboration. Films, as we know, are a multidisciplinary art form, and NYFA gives me the perfect playground to cross-pollinate. When I first joined NYFA, I was seeking that which made me unique, my individuality. But what I ended up finding, like many others, is my universality. It's a place which teaches you that which makes you belong. In fact, I've already made some lifelong friends, and we've even worked together more than once. Being on campus just fills me with this crazy adrenaline. NYFA's bi-weekly student mixers let us meet peers from different departments and sometimes even different colleges. At these mixers, screenwriters meet producers, directors find cinematographers, and so on. NYFA really cultivates a great appetite in you for networking and collaboration, which gets you industry ready pretty much from the first day after graduation. I've always considered myself an artist, but after studying here at NYFA, I consider myself a professional too. What NYFA ignites within you is not a spark, it's a fire. And every single student that you meet around the school just brightens the flame. That's all from me. Back to you, Alex. Okay, awesome. Are we taking it from 32A? Yeah?
Great job. Your story is amazing. Thanks again for sharing.